Modding Arma 3 and dealing with WRP world files for terrain editing. These contain entire map layouts and object placements. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll walk you through opening these Arma 3 object world files. Here's a technique I rely on. For truly stubborn WRP files, you need a software that can work outside the box. A true piece of file magic. My top pick is linked below. A WRP file is a 3D world or map file used by the Real Virtuality engine, which powers the Arma series of military simulation games. Modders and level designers create or edit these files to build custom terrains, missions, and environments, making it a key format for the game's extensive modding community. The WRP format is a proprietary binary container that stores terrain geometry, object placements, texture references, and other environmental data. This design allows the game engine to efficiently load and render large, complex game worlds by organizing vast amounts of spatial information into a structured, precompiled format. The core association for the WRP file points directly to Arma 3 tools developed by Bohemia Interactive. Native Windows association often leads to errors due to the file's complexity and proprietary format. Windows doesn't interpret game structure or logic, so specialized software is needed to read the files. We are performing the initial application diagnostic. Right-click your WRP file and choose Open With. Test with Arma 3 tools first. If it's missing, select another program. The solution is often a simple compatibility swap. If you are still having trouble opening the WRP file, do not worry. This WRP format requires a precision approach. The error isn't random. Let's go through this quick checklist to ensure every necessary component is verified. First, opening in Terrain Builder. Install Arma 3 tools through Steam and launch Terrain Builder, the official map editing application. Use File then Open to load the WRP file. Terrain Builder displays the height map satellite layers and object placements, enabling comprehensive map editing, including terrain sculpting, texture painting, and object positioning. Next, using Mikero's tools. Mikero's DPBO and Convert BREP tools convert binarized WRP files to editable formats. Run Convert WRP on the WRP file to produce a text-based representation suitable for examination or modification. These third-party tools are essential for advanced mod development and reverse engineering legacy Arma terrain files. Finally, loading in Arma 3. To use a WRP file in-game, it must be packed into a PBO archive within an add-on mod folder. Place the mod in the Arma 3 directory and launch the game with the mod enabled through the launcher. The custom terrain becomes available for missions in the Eden editor and multiplayer servers. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous step suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.